Sanibona iDiskiTV. Cha ngifuna ukuqondisa la uJunior Khanye mayethi Kaizer idlala ngabhola ye weekend. iKaizer idlalile first half bidlala kakhulu nePirates idlalile. Omabili ama team adlale kahle. And igoli laManyama was the best. And abalandeli bePirates abayawuphupha ukuthi bayothatha ileague. Yebo sayithatha ileague abakhohlwe nje ileague. Bona ba focus mhlambe babange neSundowns.
Yebo uTikuleko umkhuseli lona apha eNewtown eJohannesburg. Okokuqala ndizokhomenta apha ngoJunior Khanye. Kuyacaca ukuthi nyani shema akayithanda iChiefs. But ke thina as for Amakhosi iwin newin ibalekile ukuthi indlela esidlale ngayo izona Orlando Pirates ayikhonhle kodwa into ebalulekileyo ukuthi sicollecte laba 3 points as much as we can. So to the next games noba sidlale njani into ebalulekileyo ukuthi ithiphela le season sibe sipark number 1 sikwazi uyithatha le cup le. iLeague ifuneka ibelonge good and the pressure ininzi ngoku because siyabona iPirates neSundowns fans at least ba lento ngoku basihlanganyela ndawonye but ke sizonyamezela.
Hello Diski fans, my name is Vincent Sizomagama. Ngilapha ke na eJohannesburg eDorfontein campus eUJ. I just want to take a look guys ukuthi ke kenzakaleni yesterday ku Soweto Derby between Orlando Pirates na ke Kaizer Chiefs. I spoke with Junior Khanye lapha na ke ngipostile ukuthi ubani o top between Akpeyi noKhune. So ngimtshelile untwana mina ukuthi azini I put my hand on the block for Akpeyi because why? Remember udlale Pirates guy 3 uwine wonke lawo magame oyi3. It was given a chance against Highlands Park. Yes, bayekufitha umfana. We know all of us ukuthi ya distributor umnandi mara he couldn't stop even one penalty. Whereas ubani Akpeyi ukwazi uvimba yini ama penalty on the Pirates. So unkululeko ntwana na Chris Bongo mbukelile no Junior Khanye ukuthi baye grand Orlando Pirates izolidlale kahle kakhulu but they couldn't score. It happened in football, but now Kaizer Chiefs managed to just get one goal uManyama. But into engithande ngomina ndo after scoring that goal bakwazi ukudefender igoal labo then they managed to win the game. But the Pirates guys ngiya right off bamnandi kakhulu. So sharp.
Yebo lapho wena my brother and ngibulise ne Diski community as a whole. Ngithi lapho thina Amakhosi siyayithatha le league. Ilala eNaturena abafana baseNaturena bayithatha. Abonteyanteya, aboManyama, Abu Castro, Abu Nokovic, Abu Medicine, Ernest. Le league ilala khona. Noma wena Hotman no Junior Khanye beninga believe ukuthi. But now you should respect us. The Gold Nation. Amakhosi for life. One time.
The derby was a great game overall. Like as a Chiefs fan, like I'm deeply disappointed with the way that they played. Like there was no sign of agency. I always knew that coach Daniel would come up with his work formation 4-4-2, playing slow strikers. I was extremely disappointed because ever since I was born, I never saw Chiefs playing such a poor football. Even Solinas and Steve Komtala played much better football. I was so disappointed, but overall great game is a win. 7 points there on top of the log, but I still think that even if Chiefs win the league, eluded should just leave. Like at least Chiefs can get a new coach. Still Bucs and this is also a free agent. Yeah, great game overall.